right now we are present here at the International Purple Fest, and what is more interesting is that there are some really amazing stalls here. And first and foremost, let us understand what is the stall all about. We have Dr. Richa. Dr. Richa, welcome to Purple TV Bharat. And first and foremost, give us an insight about this particular stall.
So this is a PDU NIPPD stall, Pandit Deenayal Upadhyay National Institute. We are from Delhi and we are showcasing our theme from birth to adulthood, touch and tech.
Very nice. So
Yeah.
could you give us an insight and give us a walkthrough about what exactly your stall is about?
Yes, so our stall starts from the NICU itself. This is the model NICU developed by Shama Foundation, Dr. Yusuf. We wanted to show that how preventing disability and early intervention is so important. So right when a baby is born as a premature or a child with some disability, positioning, handling, the right kind of lighting, we want the baby to feel still close to the mother, and there is a specialized equipment that gives the feeling of how the child still feels in uterus.
Yes, yes.
This is actually the concept. If the NICU, we are trying to build up an environment similar to the mother's womb, where the lights what would be used would be of lighter power, as well as the womb has a, when the baby is kept inside the mother's womb, so it is naturally in a C-shaped position. So we are trying to create a bed similar to the mother's womb. At the same time, there would be sounds which are similar to the mother's womb, that the heartbeat of the mother that would be created, so that because in the NICU the mother is not with the child, and although there are cameras that would be provided so that the mother would be there to monitor it, but at the same time the child needs the touch and the felt of the womb, because when a child is brought into this world in a premature state, so but the environment what actually the child needs is the same environment of the womb. So it's trying to create an environment for the child as the mother's womb, and at the same time we are trying to bring a project where the diapers are being put for the child. So this is a larger one. This is kind of a model. If you just feel it, inside the diaper, we are planning to put all these automatic these dryers, where when it would be wet, so that the risk of developing the infection would be less. So this is a bigger one. For the child it would be bought into a smaller size. Yeah.
Wise, okay.
So it is like keeping the policy and making the concept of making India and providing the entire population of India because they're importing all these things are quite costly. So we would try to bring to this our Indian population this kind of service.
It's really amazing. Additionally, you have mentioned that right from the birth till the thing, if you could just give us an insight.
Yeah. Similar to that, this is a specialized mother chair to give when the child mother has to do kangaroo mother care. So the baby is supposed to be in skin to skin contact. So this chair has specialized rocking mechanism, rotating mechanism to give the child the kind of movement like a pregnant woman would when they carry. So that is the kind of movements that this chair can exhibit. Now this is when the child reaches home, there is still supposed to be a flexor positioning to the child. So this bed has been created to give home-based care when the child is 3-4 months old and they still need to be placed in a certain way. These are positioning roles that are that prevent any sort of future postural and neuromuscular difficulties in children. This is another type of bed which is lycra bed. When it lies down, it takes the shape and it gives the baby like they are in uterus still, and that prolonged till 6 to 8 months can, and that section is for toys. So the child starts playing now because they are now 5-6 months. So it is an entire ecosystem till this. Then we have introduced our theme of toddlerhood, where all these positioning equipments, play and multisensory is recommended for home use to start working on therapies or in general also motor. So this is
Give you an insight about how these all things will be utilized in the day-to-day life of the child.
Yes.
So this can be taken at home and this can be used from home as well.
Yes, that is the real purpose, to move out from therapy centers to create a small fun ecosystem at home to give the child the right kind of therapies to not have it. So jitni lesser age mein when we work, we do not have early intervention is the key to preventing any disability. So that is the purpose.
You don't require any trained people to handle this, please.
Yes, of course, initially therapists can train the parents and then they have this to practice at home. So children with autism, ADHD, a lot of them need that kind of sensory fulfillment at home also. So these can be used. These are at therapy centers as well as for home purpose. We can
सॉरी मैं इंटरप्ट करूंगा, आप अगर ये हमारी पोस्टर्स देखें जो कि ये 4 अलग अलग डोमेन में डिवाइडेड है, वो फर्स्ट वन इन्फेंट क्लासरूम मॉडल है जो 0 to 18 ईयर्स को कैटर करता है। वो
18
ट्रांजिशन
months के लिए
18 मंथ्स के लिए, जो कि ट्रांजिशन फ्रॉम NICU टू होम है। ये वन ऑफ द बेस्ट एडाप्टेशन जो हम कर सकते हैं, बीइंग PhD कोर्स वर्क हम लोगों ने किया है। वो इसमें करीब आपने मैम एक्सप्लेन कर दिया है, ठीक है। उसके बाद ये कॉट तक आ गया, अच्छा। हाँ, तो उसके बाद वो एक इंटरनेशनल स्टैंडर्ड के जो क्लासरूम्स चाहिए वो कुछ इस तरह से होता है जो आप देख रहे हैं फोटोज
तो
में।
ये सब घर में होते हैं कि ये
ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में है। एट द सेम टाइम जो है कई लोग जो काफ़ी ज़्यादा अपने, जैसे हम आपके अगर बेबी हैं तो हम भी अपने नॉर्मल बच्चों के लिए एक अलग से रूम सेट करते हैं। तो बेसिकली एग्जैक्टली, तो हाँ यार, दिस इज द वन ऑफ द
This can be a model classroom where we want every classroom now to have not just the desk table format, but as an open system with adapted seating. There should be different types of sitting for children with ADHD, autism, movement station in every classroom, so that children who need movement, they can go and hang and jump and come back and not show hyperactivity by running out of the schools. So we recommend play stations and movement stations in every classroom of every school in the world. So this is how this point we wanted to showcase the right, and then the right strategies, what kind of books, what kind of pencils, everything matters.
एक्चुअली दीज आर इक्विपमेंट्स जो है ना, आप सपोज ये छोटी सी चीज़ ले लें जो कि हम, ये स्टेयर्स है, बट ये टॉडलर के लिए वन ऑफ द सेफेस्ट इक्विपमेंट्स है। ना तो इसमें कोई मेटल यूज़ हुआ है, ना शार्प एजेस है, और ये इतना STD है कि हम आपका भी वेट, जैसे मैं 90 kg का हूँ, मैं इजीली इस पर अगर मैं वॉक करूँ तो ये वो पूरा ये मेरा वेट ले सकता है। तो दैट मीन्स ये एक क्रिएटिव इक्विपमेंट्स है जो कि हमारी फाउंडेशन या हम लोगों ने मिल के इंडिजिनसली बनाया है। ये हमारी जो है विजुअल जोन है जिसमें कि ये आपका बबल कर्टन्स है। जो इस सब के पीछे सबसे बड़ी फिलॉसफी ये है कि हम ये लो कॉस्ट में मैनेज करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं। जैसे अगर आप जो है फॉरेन स्टैंडर्ड से इसको कंपेयर करें तो ये ऑलमोस्ट 1/5 या 1/6 कॉस्ट में
यहाँ पे
हम
इंडिया में मिल सकते
जी मिल सकता है या मिल रहा है। हमारी फाउंडेशन ये जो है पूरे जो इंडिया का एक ड्रीम है नेशनल हेल्थ मिशन का, RBS के राष्ट्रीय बाल सुधार कार्यक्रम, उसके हम नॉलेज पार्टनर हैं हरियाणा ब्रांच के, स्टेट के, और हम कोशिश कर रहे हैं इसको इंडिया लेवल पे लेके आने का। और इसी वजह से इस प्लेटफॉर्म को हम लोगों ने एक अच्छी अपॉर्चुनिटी बनाने की कोशिश की है। हमारी एक्चुअली कुछ इन्फॉर्मेशन के लिए यूट्यूब भी है शमा फाउंडेशन ऑफिशियल का, जिस पे कि आप अभी भी देखेंगे तो हमने इसमें कुछ बोलने की कोशिश की है कि IQ जो है, इंटेलिजेंस किसी की विरासत नहीं है, ना तो वो किसी रेस से मैटर करता है, ना गोरे काले, ना अमीर गरीब। ये एक ऐसी चीज़ है कि अगर हम अर्ली इंटरवेंशन को बहुत अच्छे से कैटर करें तो ये सारी चीज़ें डिफरेंस जो है कहीं स्टैंड नहीं कर सकता है।
उसके बाद what are the right methods to teach children from schooling, early schooling, what are the right tools, what are the right methodologies. So at Sensitivity we are from Delhi. This is a special toy that we have developed called Pings.
Okay, so what exactly does this do?
This is a set of 5 robotic humans which teach emotions of happiness, sadness, anxiety, surprise to children, and these are interactive. They will have a built-in where the mother can record her voice and then ask the child to speak कि आप आज सैड क्यों हो, आज आप बहुत हैप्पी हो, आज आपके लिए गिफ्ट आया. So this will all have embedded. So this is how we have also been working in collaboration with some industrial engineers to develop this toy. This is handwriting without ears, which is an established method to teach handwriting to children.
Okay.
Every page in the workbooks and these manipulators that we use is to built by therapists to see everything that they hold. Like you could see, these wood pieces can make the entire ABCD just by holding. So once we teach the child to construct an alphabet, they would be able to write it better. They can feel it, they can sort it out. The same method goes, we give them cards and then they have to place the clay, and these all work on fine motor skills. These are fun and joyful yet give a lot of visual attention to children. We also are partnering with NRF, which is the
Yes.
and there are specialized books that we have launched.
So we have launched 2 books. One is Legal Rights of Children with Disabilities in India. So it's a book. It's a comprehensive book. Though we have many resources available, there are many policies, but the links are quite scattered. The resources are quite scattered. So हमने उन सब resources को we have incorporated in this book. We have also the main USP of this book is this flow chart. जिसके बेसिस पे पेरेंट्स हैं या फिर इंडिविजुअल्स हैं हु कैन टेक केयर कि वो जानेंगे कि हाँ वो कौन से एज ग्रुप में हैं और उन्हें कौन कौन से राइट्स उनके रह गए हैं या फिर उन्हें कौन कौन से उनको डॉक्यूमेंट्स या फिर कहाँ कहाँ पे वो अपनी सर्विसेज या राइट्स अवेल कर सकते हैं.
Such a difficult pathway for parents to what to understand when
Because
to
it's
get
a huge,
guide.
it's a
Yes,
huge
so
shock
this
for the
book is an
parent
excellent
itself.
resource
Yeah,
to
absolutely.
give parents the whole map of how to progress in this journey and
always
get the
it feels,
maximum
yeah.
rights for their children. Understand what are the facilities and legalities involved.
So whenever we see this also, that's a huge shock to any parent when they realize that the child is disabled. So this I think would be our
This is an
excellent
resource
copy which will
compiled
help up.
with UN's help also.
We had a webinar in February with in association with UN. So after that we have come up with this book. They have also given us so many links and resources, their resources. So we have incorporated all the resources in this book. The other book that we have come up is Quiet Corners and Bright Worlds. It's a storytelling book for children. Basically, it's a guidebook for parents, caregivers, and professionals working in this field with special needs children. So we have it's in bilingual in English and Hindi both. So we have 20 stories. We have incorporated this sensory list as well, like what the children have learned through stories. They must know कि उन्हें अपनी daily life में भी incorporate करना है वो learnings को, generalize करना है उस learning को, कि वो stories तक ही limited ना रहे, वो एक उनके हर setting में और हर उसमें involve हो सके, हर social setting.
I think you are doing some amazing job, and we wish you all the very best in your things. And if there's anything that they want to get in touch with you, now parents want to get in touch with you, what is the way in which they can get in touch?
So they can get in touch with us on our website www.sensitivity.co.in, and our phone numbers 9911266992, and we can all connect together to provide you any of the services that we have displayed here.
Indeed. Thank you so much for taking time off and talking to us and giving us so much of information and so much of knowledge regarding this
Thank you so
wonderful
much
work that
for
you're doing.
doing what you're doing, because aapke bina we can't showcase what we want to do. So thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you.